Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top interview question and answer series. In today's episode, the question I'm bringing you is, what is the difference between async and defer in JavaScript? Very important question, especially when you talk about performance improvement in your application, talk about how the scripts will load and how it will execute. That's where you should know the difference between async and defer. Let's get started and learn the answer. Before I give you the answer, make sure that you get this question and 2000 such question answers with code snippets as part of the Fullstack interview question answer package. It has over 30 technologies that you need to learn and master for lifetime. You can always use it to crack interview, or for learning you can get it at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Back to the question, what is the difference between async and defer in JavaScript? When we talk about async, it means that the script file, that whatever file you are mentioning, will download in parallel with HTML parsing. That means, take an example of this. When you have script and you are saying source script.js async, that means this file will download along with the HTML parsing parallelly, and it will execute immediately after downloading. That is the difference. So in a sequence, whatever comes below will not wait. It will execute immediately after downloading. Whereas defer will only execute after HTML parsing is complete. That means first all your HTML will be parsed and then the script will be executed. Though it will download immediately in parallel with HTML, but it will not execute. So remember the two keywords. Async script will download in parallel with HTML parsing and will execute immediately. Whereas defer will download in parallel with HTML parsing, but it will not execute until the HTML has been parsed completely. So that means you are letting it load little later. Defer means load and execute later after HTML. Async means immediately after downloading. That's the main difference between async and defer in loading the scripts. I hope the concept is clear. Make sure that you go through it, give the example that I have given the code, and don't forget to get your entire PDF copies at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. We'll continue learning more such questions in this particular channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.